Hello friends, today's topic India retaliates, response of Pakistan stock market. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The pre-dawn hours of Wednesday, 7th May 2025, India's Army, Navy and Air Force launched Operation Sindoor on 9 terror camps across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This was an attack carried by all the three defense forces. This was the first of its kind against Pakistan since the 1971 war. It was done in retaliation for the April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam. Indian armed forces launched coordinated strikes on 9 identified terror hubs located in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The operations focused solely on terrorist infrastructure used to plan and direct attacks on Indian soil. Indian military has stated that no Pakistani military or civilian installations were targeted. Yesterday itself, our Nifty had fallen marginally, especially mid-cap and small-cap indices, but soon recovered and turned positive and closed marginally higher. In fact, this news pushed Pakistani Karachi Stock Exchange KSE 100 index 6% lower at market open time today. However, it gradually recovered and was trading around 3% lower for 3:30 p.m. IST. In total, since 22 April, which was the day of Pahalgam attack, Pakistan KSE 100 index has fallen by around 6% so far. During the same time, Nifty has gone up by almost 1%. Pakistan Defense Minister has said that Pakistan is ready to end the conflict if India backs down. Pakistan government has claimed that Pakistan has successfully shot down some Indian fighter jets. However, the Indian government has refused this claim. Let us hope that this attack by India has destroyed the terrorist group operations so that there are less attacks on Indian soil in the future. Terrorism not only puts people's lives in danger, but is also negative for economic prosperity in the future. The Pakistan's KSE 100 index was down more than 5.5% in April 2025. It was its worst month since August 2023 as rising geopolitical tensions have triggered a panic sell-off. Today's opening fall of around 6,560 points or 5.8% was the second largest intraday fall. Point was second to the 8,700 points loss that happened after President Donald Trump's trade tariff announcements. As of now, Pakistan Stock Exchange PSX website is down. The PSX website shows a message stating that it is under maintenance until further notice. It is not clear whether the website has been kept down intentionally or it is genuine maintenance activities. A report by Moody's has cautioned that India-Pakistan tensions could affect Pakistan's economic stability. This also will have negative impact on KSE 100 index. This tension with India would affect Pakistan's access to external financing and also exert pressure on its foreign exchange reserves. If this conflict continues, it will impact both sides. However, it is likely to inflict more damage on Pakistan since it is in a much weaker economic position than India. It could have a significantly negative impact on Pakistan stock markets too. End of the video. Here is a question. Do you expect India to take further steps to negatively impact Pakistan? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.